How do I download and install the Play Store app on my Samsung Smart TV?
Hello, and welcome. In this tutorial, we'll be walking you through the steps of downloading and installing the Google Play Store app on your Samsung Smart TV. Please note that not all Samsung Smart TVs support this feature directly, as they use a different operating system, Tizen, not Android. However, don't worry. We've got a workaround for you to access Google Play Store content.
Why isn't Google Play Store on my Samsung Smart TV?
Samsung Smart TVs run on a platform called Tizen, and not on Android. Google Play Store is an Android platform application, which is why it's not readily available on your Samsung Smart TV. However, you can still access Google Play content via alternative methods.
How can I get Google Play Store apps on my Samsung Smart TV?
Since the Google Play Store can't be installed directly, you can use Android TV devices or Google Chromecast to access the Play Store apps. Devices like the NVIDIA Shield TV, MI Box, or any Android TV stick have the Play Store available.
What do I need to use Google Play Store with Chromecast or Android TV devices?
Firstly, you'll need a Google Chromecast or an Android TV device. These can be plugged into your Samsung Smart TV's HDMI port. You'll also need a smartphone or a computer to control the device. Finally, ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection.
How do I set up my Chromecast or Android TV device?
1. Plug your Chromecast or Android TV device into your Samsung Smart TV's HDMI port. 2. Switch your TV input to the corresponding HDMI port. 3. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the device to your Wi-Fi network. 4. On your smartphone or computer, download the Google Home app for Chromecast or the Android TV Remote Control app for Android TV devices.
How do I download apps from Google Play Store using these devices?
With the device set up and your controlling device ready, 1. Navigate to the Google Play Store app on your Android TV device or cast your smartphone screen to the TV using Chromecast. 2. Search for the app you want to install. 3. Click Install and wait for the app to download and install. And that's how you can access Google Play Store content on your Samsung Smart TV. Though it might seem a little complicated at first, once you get the hang of it, it's a breeze. We hope this video was helpful. Happy viewing!